bitch is crazy. I needed this. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Sachs back at it again with another video. Today we are gonna be driving my homies bolt-on 350Z HR, and then we got this nigga over here zinging on the block and shit. Yeah, we just gonna get a nice little drive in, see how it drives, because if you guys know, the Nismo is stock, so he's letting me test out the car and see how it is when it's tuned and it got some parts on it. Oh shit. See, I'm not even used to that. Allow startup, hell. Let's see, I'm probably gonna stall this bitch. Okay. That shit is stiff. Yeah. Holy shit.
I like it like that though.
That shit is, yo, I'm not. I used to be used to that shit because that's how my DE was, right? Nah, I kind of like it.
It's a good feel.
Yeah, it bites like mad fast, low key.
When I'm shifting, I just slap that shit, shift and just. Wait till you get on
it. God damn. Oh my fucking God. I was not ready for the Tomei to be like that. God damn. Nah, I'm gonna be a menace with that shit. Oh my God, what the fuck? Nah, I fuck with the Tomei. Nah, I fuck with the way the clutch is. Like at first I was like, damn, this is kind of stiff, but like I see why. Like when you shift, that shit shifts buttery. When you rev match, that shit shifts buttery too. Oh shit, look, niggas over there testing.
Oh, turn that shit on. Turn that shit on.
How you do it? Well, first, let me send it first. It's rough. Look how far that shit goes. I don't even want to hit 6.
I'm gonna show you something. I'm wrapped. I'm tuned. I got
extra? For real?
Bro, I don't use it on you, but when I don't use it on you because that shit is like, it's not even fair. But
that's like when you keep your foot on the gas?
Mash it, lower all the way. You can't mash your clutch. So
wait, you keep it on the gas and you keep just shifting?
Shift it, and it's not gonna bounce because it's gonna hold it right there for that second. Bro, that shit makes all the difference in the world.
What the fuck?
So like, right?
This nigga coming back.
Oh shit. That's a G? Hold on, get up.
race. If they want to race, you gotta hop in this shit. Let's see what they want. Oh shit. Huh? It's good. Nah, he's just missing headers.
Oh, okay. That's not bad. Okay. I told it is, but we're about to.
Yeah, it is.
What is it?
He was contemplating if it was a Tome or not.
Oh. Huh?
I don't know.
320-ish.
Oh, you want to do a poll?
Do a pool.
He wants to do a 30 ball.
Oh, you about to run him?
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it. What I told you, this is the spot. This is where we be at.
Is this stuff you were talking about? This is stuff the spot?
Yeah, bro. It's just a long ass road. Look, bro, I didn't even want to hit 60 in your car because we was already going so fucking fast. Oh.
So you go, look.
Let's see. He's dogging that shit. Oh shit. That nigga sliding.
So that same as me, I'm stuck. Same fucking thing. The only thing is I ain't got no tires. My tires suck. I'm on connect.
Be outside again. Little private run shit.
It really does make sense. Yeah.
G37 tuned. ST. 350. Nismo inside hibernating today.
I'm on a tank of 93. I'm probably like
That's what I got.
threes.
Oh, okay. You got another 350 Nismo?
You got a little Nismo.
It's stock though.
So you got HR too.
Ooh. You got VHR. Yeah, you got the shit the 370 got.
Wait,
It's VHR, bro.
I thought oh, 8 is HR. Yeah, I thought.
Nah, it's VHR. Trust. You got some popped ahead. It's VHR, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, VHR.
Man, this is a little baby 370.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I ain't know about these. I'm
Yeah.
not like a Jeep person.
See? It's VHR.
Ported upper lower manifold, GTR injectors, Walbro fuel pump, 2.5 cooler intakes.
Yeah, these
Two-
little
yeah, they're
babies.
small.
Single exit,
they're
yeah.
small.
So once
You gotta go 3, bro.
that's what I just ordered. I'm waiting on them from Admin Tuning. I ordered them like 6 weeks ago, but he says they're custom made. So.
Nah, yeah.
Oh, my shits are
Admins are fire.
Yeah.
Like,
She need to breathe. She need the 3 inches on her.
But that's where I'm having an issue.
What test pipes and Y pipe you got?
I have Z1 test pipes, ISR single exit with an ISR Y pipe, and
Oh, you
ISR
showing.
man.
I got
Showing.
I have no
AM test
insurance on
types,
this shit.
AM Y
Yeah.
and I got the famous Tome.
Yeah, no, I couldn't see the blue on it.
Them boys hit the U-turn. I was like, I was in the mirror. I was like, yo, I think these niggas gonna want to race.
I'm asking him at 30 or 40.
What roll you want to do? 20? 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Bayberry Raceway, man. First day, we're supposed to be over here letting me drive the car. We catching fucking runs. What the fuck? I don't even come here and catch runs. This is bullshit.
Almost traded for a sedan.
What happened?
I think the sensor went bad again.
Oh shit, it's not starting?
Not starting?
No,
Oh shit.
that's what I'd be talking about. Yeah, it won't even turn on. That sensor's bad, bro. Ugh.
You say you stay around here though, right?
Yeah, I literally live up the road in Village Community up there.
Damn.
But you can follow me on the gram, nigga.
Man
I'll
down.
tell you right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you right now.
Running by tomorrow, but it's just depressing.
The flame map is on. I kind of want to drive it and try the flame map.
Let's go
Alright, let's see.
down.
Down.
Well, going down 4 times.
So down.
Down 4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that's it.
That's
At
it.
least, yeah, that's it. I do it like 2 times. Just to make sure. Because I don't got cruise control, so my cruise control don't flash.
So wait, hold on.
And
Let me
now
put
if
it
you
back in
rev it,
neutral.
you'll probably be
So say like you want to go back to normal, you hold that down and then what?
3.
3? So that's how you go to each map. So like if you want to go to map 2, it's down 2.
Yeah, so 1 is E85. E85 is 1 and 2.
Nah, this bitch is crazy. I needed this. Cause this is gonna make me put on all my fucking parts.
3K, bro. Like, just fucking hit. Like, go over 3K. Floor it. And let go. Yeah, these shits are big. I feel it. Like, you feel that shit in your chest.
Oh, so you barely just push it. Yo, that shit like, nah, that's like some cheat code shit.
Yeah. Go do a little pull and do the pops again. That's how you see a cop, right? Sometimes it takes a few tries.
Oh, and then it stops. Word.
You just
Undetectable. Cops who? Hear that shit? Y'all probably can't even hear me. Take your damn car back before I have too much fun in it.
like I told you, I don't even know what be funny. I already cleaned this fucking engine.
What, the
bad.
PCV shit?
Yeah, I thought this is just like I need to close that off and delete it.
Yeah, trust. That's what everybody does. That's what everybody does.
See, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.